Looking for the perfect balance between compact design and powerful performance? The Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer might be the answer. With a 6-quart capacity, intuitive digital controls, and versatile cooking functions, it's more than just an air fryer, it's a complete kitchen upgrade. Meet the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer, a 6-quart digital dynamo that air fries, bakes, roasts, broils, and more, all while saving you space and time. With its 360 degrees rapid air circulation, food cooks evenly and up to 50% faster than in a traditional oven, with 85% less oil. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. It roasts, bakes, broils, reheats, dehydrates, and even has a dedicated frozen food setting. That's 9 preset options built into one sleek unit. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver professional-grade versatility, creating exceptional dishes across all functions with just one basket. You can set time and temperature with a tap, and the preheat and shake reminder features take all the guesswork out of cooking. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking to save time and deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy weekdays. If space is tight, no worries. This Cosori model is designed to be compact, fitting neatly on any countertop, whether it's a studio apartment, RV, or college dorm. The 6-quart square basket offers a wider, deeper design for family meals in one go while saving kitchen counter and storage space. Enjoy a quieter and more comfortable kitchen environment as it operates at less than 53 dB even on high fan speed, delivering whisper-quiet performance. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. So there you have it, the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer proves that you don't need a massive appliance to cook up big, delicious, and healthy meals. With its compact size, 6-quart capacity, and versatile 9-in-1 functionality, it's perfect for busy weeknights, weekend feasts, or anything in between. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.